Hi, Jeevee.
Hi guys.
Hi. Come. Oh my God. What's this?
Henry.
Henry. Wow.
Guys, look, Henry.
Hmm?
Henry. Look, guys, look. And guys, look, come. Wow.
You happy? You want to get it? All of these? One? Which one you want? This one?
Oh, this is spider.
Oh, what is this? Spider? Oh.
Leg.
You want to get this one?
Yeah. Mommy,
Look what? Oh my God. Hoovers. Vacuum cleaner.
this one. And guys, look.
GB shopping?
Yeah. Guys, look. Fan.
Fan. Wow. It's a heater. Fan heater. Oh, you want to buy it? Yes? Okay. Okay, I think GB wants to buy this, guys. Hi, GB.
This is a new car.
Oh, this is a new car. Okay. Where are we going?
To get a new TV.
Oh, this is GB's new car. Okay.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Let's go and buy a new vacuum.
Where are we going? New vacuum?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
And let's get a new TV.
New TV? What? You want to buy a new TV?
Yeah, because my TV is broken.
Huh?
My TV is broken.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to get a new vacuum. Oh, guys, look. Vacuum.
Wow. So guys, GB's planning to get a vacuum, and whilst you want to get TV. So let's see.
We'll get.
Let's see, GB. Let's see. Oh wow. Wow, Samsung, yes. Okay, what do you want to see
Coffee
first?
machine.
Hoover? Or you want to see the games? Yes. Where do you want to go then? You want to see the vacuums? Okay, fine. Come on then. Nice, very nice. Oh no, we don't want Dyson. You want to look for something else?
Let's turn this on. Oh yeah, maybe they locked it. Oh yeah, they locked it. This opened. Oh yeah. Oh guys, look. Guys, look. Oh, the light.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Maybe.
Sorry.
And guys, look.
Hmm.
Wow, one.
Okay, which one do you want
Oh,
then?
Dyson ball.
Hmm? Dyson Ball, yes.
Oh, who did this to wire?
Oh my God. GB did this to the wire?
No.
No?
Who guys?
Okay, this is my favorite.
Oh, guys.
Hmm?
Who take the vacuum?
Oh no. Where is it? Oh my God. Hey, where's Henry gone? There's no Henry.
Oh, this.
There's
Guys.
Hattie only.
Yeah, but. Oh, yeah, Hattie. Guys, let's see the TV.
Okay, you want to see the
Oh,
TVs
guys,
now?
look.
Wow. Which one you planning to get?
Oh yeah, I'm just getting this one. Oh yeah, I know that one. See, guys, I don't know which way to look at. Oh guys, shark. Okay. Guys, look.
Wow.
Guys,
This is nice. How much is this for?
Oh yeah.
£100. Oh, this is charging. GB, you have the same one at home.
Yeah, but
Oh yeah, you have the same one. Yeah, GB has the same one, guys. And I've got the same one. Look, my steamer's here. These two.
and look. Guys, look.
Oh wow.
Oh, this is a mini charger.
This is mini charger.
Yeah.
Mini Hoover this is. How much is this?
50. Oh,
Shark.
guys,
This is by Shark.
shark.
Yeah, this is the
And
one.
look,
It's for
guys.
£179.
Guys, look.
Uh-huh. This
I'm
is
looking
Black
for
and Decker. I like Shark brand. Oh wow. This is a carpet cleaner.
Where's the tool for that?
Tools are missing.
Yeah. Guys, come look.
I thought you wanted to buy TV too. Where's the TVs? Let's take us to the TVs, guys.
Guys,
GB, let's go.
First, let's see what this.
You want to see the vacuums?
Oh, yeah. Oh, look. I have one like that.
You have one of these too.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this. This is so beautiful. Hmm?
This is. Oh, yeah. I do. This one. Good. This one. Oh, yeah. I did remember this. Guys, let's see this one.
Okay, the TVs are that side, darling. There, right there. Come on.
Yeah,
Run, 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 run.
Oh, yeah, guys.
So GB will decide which one to get.
Daddy, Mom.
And because GB wants a TV. Oh, they've got sales on. GB, they've got this TV as well. We need 32 inch. This is a 32 inch. I don't know how much is this. Huh?
It's right there. I saw TV.
Nice.
Let's go down.
Which one you want? We need to get 32 inch. Not bigger than that.
Big one.
This LG, this is for 200. This is for only 100 and
Guys, come.
wow. But we don't want to put it in the living area. We already have 75 inch in the living area. You need to buy a 32 inch for your room. The small one. You don't need the big one. Look at that. It's beautiful.
There's only that one. Just looking for the ball.
Oh, they've got loads of there. Let's see. What's this is 4K. But this is 43 inch, man. We're looking for 32 inch. Yes? Nice. TV, this is huge. You can't put this in your room. This is big.
I'm checking for a small one.
Small one. The small ones are right at the back.
Yeah, guys, look.
This is the fridge.
No,
Now you want to get a fridge
I don't want to.
for your room? You want to get this fridge for your room?
Oh,
Yeah.
guys, come look. Water.
Water, yes.
It's on.
Uh-huh.
You can't touch it because it's on.
Okay, now which one you want then? Okay, I think I like one. And guys, we're gonna pick that and it will be surprise. Come on, let's go to the small TVs. These are huge. And then let's make a payment for that. And then we'll open it and we'll show it to everyone once Daddy's fixing it for you, yeah?
And guys,
Come on,
look.
let's go.
Let's check the rest.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, we're gonna look and we're gonna pick from these. Let's see.
Let us take.
Okay guys, GB likes this TV. We're gonna buy this. And this is 40 inch. We decided to buy 40 inch for him. So the guy is going to get the remote and we're gonna test it. Yeah? Okay guys, GV's got the TV and he's gonna open the door and we're gonna put it inside the car. Wait, let mommy help, darling. Oh, it's open. Ta-da. Okay, fine. Get your booster, sit there, put your belt on, and I'm gonna put your TV in front of you, yeah?